Welcome to AZ Creative Home Concepts. Today, allow me to take you to one of the most serene places you could ever imagine, a sanctuary where peace flows like gentle air, where stress fades away, and where life feels like paradise itself. Here, in the heart of the forest, surrounded by nature's embrace, you'll discover a home that nourishes your soul, a life far more precious than the restless noise of the city. Just imagine waking up to such a beautiful environment, sipping your morning coffee on the balcony of your home while listening to the flowing stream and the cascading waterfall, the songs of birds from the towering trees, and the gentle chirping of crickets in the woods. Truly, it is a delightful life in the heart of the forest. From above, this tropical retreat reveals a serene outdoor living space with a clear, sunlit pool embraced by lush greenery. A modern wooden home with glass walls and stone accents blend seamlessly into the surroundings, while wooden decks and balconies open to nature. The tranquil setting, framed by vibrant plants and trees, creates a peaceful haven, perfect for relaxation and reconnecting with the beauty of the outdoors. A tranquil scene unfolds as a waterfall cascades down a rocky cliff, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant red bromeliads. Bathed in the soft glow of the setting sun, stone steps lead to a wooden door set into a moss-covered cave, framed by vines and towering roots. The atmosphere feels peaceful, inviting, and deeply serene.